Hey ladies,
Kay pagkamata na ko, nabasa na ko na yun. Yung di mama, parabot ako direct si Joseph.
kaya pala mainit ang ulo. Hey ladies, are you ladies or are you lady only? Lady is? Nori, introduce ang Jensan.
Ano yung Jensan mo pala silhigi?
Ano palang Bisaya ng silhigan? Silagan. Silagan. Asan ang pechay? Where? Ayun.
Ignoy man siguro ka, ignoy. Kailan pechay?
I know what is pechay. And also, I know what is puchi. Pagpuli pala yun. O sige, pangutot doon. Ayun sila, oh. Yung mga pangit. Yung mga pangit andun sa ano. What is the Tagalog, what is the Bisaya of Ulahi? It is last. They are in the last.
Class na last L-U-S-P or last na L-U-S-P?
No, I mean it's a
I'm sorry, my grammar, grammar sense.
I don't care if you're a wrong grammar, but I care about wrong gramming. Laday, kadung ka, today guwapo daw ko day.
Guwapo day ka day?
Manayo lagi sila. Kita manayo punta. Uy, wala ang payong ni Nor. Mapalid because it's very winter here. Winter, man good, winter.
Siksik na siya, tapos naglaag-laag lang may katalisik.
Uy, lag-laag mo. Practice ta, oy. Ikaw, ha?
Tingnan na ba yung maglaag-laag, talisik?
Dili siya taligsik. It's a hangini. In English, it's a
Airy.
windy. Windy. Oh, thumbs up. Thumbs down.
Okay, okay.
Oh, sige na, yan na. Introduce ang Jensan Manang. This is the Jensan.
It's the old municipality of Jensan.
And,
The new facility look like old.
oh no. And our journey starts here.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.